What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Merlin from the Afro Wealth Group. Today I just want to share a quick message with you about branding, right? I was just listening to Gavy, who obviously you know who Gavy is, and he was just talking about branding, when it comes to branding your business or branding, whatever you're actually working on. So he said something that actually really resonated with me. He said, when there's a coup in a country, why do the people who are responsible for the coup, why do they actually go to the TV station? Why is it the first thing that they get, a TV station, as opposed to rushing to, let's say, the president's house or the prime minister's house or whatever? Why do they always go to the TV station, the main TV station of the country, before actually taking place or taking charge and control of all the powerful places of the country? That was the main question he asked. So the reason I actually wanted to talk about that is because that message resonated with me, because I'm from a country where most of those things happen very regularly. Like it's very easy for you to hear that a coup happened in one of the countries, African countries, and one actually happened very recently. So when I heard that message, it actually resonated with me, because I was like, why is it actually the first place they actually go to? The reason they first go to the TV station or the radio station is because the attention. It's because of the attention they want to get. The faster their message can go on, the more publicity they can put on the coup they're actually carrying on, the more success they are likely to have. Let me say one more time so that you can really get it. The more publicity they are able to attract on the coup that just happened, the more success they are likely to attract, or the more success they are likely to have. Why? Because most of the people in the country, the moment they hear that a coup just happened and the president that was in power just got taken over, and there are new people that are in power now, the easier they will be able to abide by the new rules, and they'll be able to follow the lead of the new people that are in charge of the country. Saying that to say, in simple terms, when it comes to branding, the more publicity, the more attraction you bring to your business and to your brand, the more success you are likely to have, or the more successful your business or your brand is likely to be. That's a very easy message. And when I heard that from Gavy, I was like, wow, this actually means a lot. Like, I never ever thought about it. Like, why do these people, as soon as they carry on a coup, the first place they go to is a TV station? The reason is because the moment they do that, they obviously attract a lot of publicity on what just happened. Like the people, like if you happen, the most recent place it happened was in Guinea. Like for those of you who know Guinea, somewhere in, I don't want to say something crazy, but I think Guinea is like in West Africa. The moment the former president, he is now former president, but the moment he got taken over by the new, colonel that is took over the country, one of the first places he went to, like after the president was taken down, he went straight to the TV station to announce it. Why? Because the moment the message is announced, even the people that were not aware of what actually goes on with politics now know that something just happened. Something very powerful just happened in the country, and we are now under a new leadership. So expressing yourself, publicizing yourself, taking your message on a bigger platform where you have the potential to reach an awful lot of people is actually what's going to make your business and your brand successful. So to wrap up this message, I just want to let you know, you that's watching me right now, that if you have a business, if you have a product, if you have a brand that you actually want to bring attention to, or you want more people to be aware of or to pay attention to what you're doing, guess what? You just have to bring as much publicity to that business and to that brand as you can. Like as much publicity as you can. Take it to all the platform possible. Now we have all social media platform available out there. So you really have to take your business public, not on the normal term, which is taking it to the stock market. Like, you don't have to go that far, but you have to take your business public in a way where you have to publish it, or you have to have at least a page. You have to exist on all social media platforms, because that's the way by which you are going to eventually have your business known and have people buy into your brand. This was my message for today. Again, this was Merlin from the Alpha Wealth Group, and I will see you next in another video. Take care. Bye bye.
Yeah.